22 mbs KNX Smart Switch adopts European standard 60 mm mounting hole spacing and is compatible with UK standard mounting boxes. Independent heat dissipation hole design. No overheating after long-term operation. Seamless compatibility for system integration. Multiple frame options available. Copper, aluminum alloy, ag glass. Tool-free magnetic installation. Fast and efficient post-maintenance. Automatically lights up when your hand approaches. Turns off after 5 seconds, soft and non-glare at night. Supports combined multi-panel assembly, easily enabling control of multiple lights, curtains, and scenarios. Guest room functions are clear at a glance.